Caught up in this messed up game. This time I won't cooperate. You lie what I'm trying to say.
I don't think we have introduced Wally.
Maybe we haven't. This is Wally. He's a 6 months old Chihuahua, and he's very cute. So, like it, Wally's cute. We're really sorry about the sound in the last video. We have some different camera gear, but we are trying to use the GoPro as much as possible. It's easy to hold, it's easy to move around. The problem is that we were using the casing for the GoPro, and when you have the casing on and you try to move the GoPro around,
it muffles the sound completely. It just makes it so different. So we're trying without the case now.
Hopefully that will be way better. But we're also planning on buying an external mic when we hit 500 subscribers. So subscribe. So yeah, we're just staying at my friend's house now, so we're just charging up batteries on everything we have, and you know, taking a shower, cleaning some clothes before we hit the road and go to Denmark. Hi guys, so we basically just woke up. It's 4:39 and we are on the road because we're on our way to get the ferry.
Finally, living Norway.
Yeah. Raquel saw she first knew this yesterday in this entire life.
Through this selfishly, never thought you'd get away. Not as blind as yesterday.
So we're in Denmark.
We finally made it to Denmark.
We finally made it out of Norway. We've been driving around in Norway for way too long.
Way too long. Way.
So we're officially on our trip.
We're officially Danish.
So Wally did really good. He had to stay in the car. Yeah, wasn't allowed to have the dogs on deck, but he did very good. Yes, you're such a good boy. Yes, you have to stay there. Yeah, just stay there.
So now we're going to this place that is like a coast, and it's like where it's like the top of Denmark or something like that.
Like it's where two ocean meets or something, I think.
Yeah.
It's called Skagen. If you guys have heard about it, we haven't really done a lot of research. It's just some family mentioned that it was really cool and we should check it out. So
and it's beach, so I mean, we cannot say no to beach.
Yeah.
Die for the killing me. Don't say sorry, no need to worry. You won't keep me down.
Hi guys, so we stopped now at this very cozy, very beautiful small town, if you can say that.
Yeah, in Denmark.
Yeah, so the trip on the ferry was kind of boring though, because we just left everything in the car. So we were just waiting. It was like 4 hours on the ferry, almost 4 hours. And we just came here to find like a good coffee shop, so get some Wi-Fi. We parked the van really close, and we found this little town, and we had some coffee and we get some Wi-Fi, and then we started seeing which places we're gonna park tonight. So we're thinking close to the beach, and it's a beautiful day out. And Wally's been a good boy.
Yeah, he's been a very good boy.
He looks so cute in his kangaroo pouch. Yeah, look at it, it's so cute. And I'm in love with this place because it's so pretty. The flowers are starting to come out now in this time of the year, right? And everything is green and the town is very peaceful. But we're not actually gonna stay in Denmark for too long.
No, because we're craving some more.
Yeah, we're trying to escape a little bit of the cold countries and just go as fast as we can to the south. And, I mean, looking forward for France and Spain and Portugal. But we're stopping by a little bit in Amsterdam to visit family and friends. And so yeah. So after the little town in the city that we found as soon as we arrived in Denmark, we drove around 2 hours more, and we found a very good parking spot to spend the night. I don't know about you, but I love it.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay.
It even has like a public bathroom that is very nice.
Yeah,
Like right
yeah.
next to the fucking parking area.
But I can show you guys a little bit. It's like this huge coast, really close to the water.
For the killing me, don't say sorry, no need to worry, you won't keep me down.
This is one of the stuff that we actually were looking forward to when we started this trip. We just wanted to be, you know, free and travel and find places like this to spend the night, and maybe a couple of days. You never know the places that we will find.
I don't want your anything, babe. I don't want your. I don't want your. I don't want your. I don't want your anything, babe. We've been trapped in a figure eight, no one inside here to set us straight. There are the odds deep inside my brain, tangled in your bounds. The hand that we have in this game, ours been shuffled.